Can we fall in love like they do in the movies? Where he's sort of shy, but she is so perfectly pretty. But it doesn't have to be like that. I promise we can improvise.
I started driving through the hills, told me to come and get you.
Because in the movies, the rain isn't inconvenient, but it's rather quite romantic.
Finally hold you in my arms just long.
And I can see it now, the opening scene. Tinted moon, midnight sky, she walks in, they lock eyes, overwhelmed. Butterflies.
These butterflies lived a million lives to say.
And their differences complement. Like a beautiful quilt with disparate fabric. I just want to do it, I want to try it. I want to fall in love like they do in the movies.
Forever.
So give me a chance, I promise you won't regret it. Just follow me and roll the credits. And let's fall in love like they do in the movies.
Paikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Aaminin ko pa, o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang pumapagitan sa ating dalawa. Naisip mo ba sa mga oras na tayo'y magkasama, kung ano tayo sa buhay ng isa't isa? Ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Araw-gabi, tanging ikaw ang nasa isip. Kahit lamang ang panaginip ay ikaw. Ang aking hiling, tumanda nang ikaw lang ang kapiling. Habang buhay ay pipiliin sinasadyang mahulog, mahibang. Aasa na tayo sa huli.